Hi, today, hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Simply Nichola. Today we are doing an iPad Air unboxing. I haven't been recording because one of my dogs passed away. He was hit by a car and he died. So I'm just really haven't been in the best of mood. So, but I've been holding this iPad for a minute, so let's just get it started. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome guys, welcome fam, I missed you. Let's get right into it. I got it from Target, not me. So that's it. I just got the space gray. I don't like all that one. Hi guys, it's Simply Nichola. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing an iPad Air 256 gig. I haven't been feeling my best because on Saturday night my dog, he got hit. One of my dogs got hit by a car and he died. So we're just so extremely devastated. So I haven't been in the mood to record absolutely nothing. So we are just, I don't know. We've had him for about 7 years, and it's just it's pretty hard on us. So, but this is the iPad that I have. It's that I bought. It's the iPad Air, the 5th gen, and it's only with Wi-Fi. So, gonna just, okay. And for some reason, wait, don't it has, I thought it had to pull. I swear it was supposed to, maybe not. Oh Lord. I guess there's no pull. We just don't open it. I got the space gray. So that's how it looks. That is it. Right, I am coming from the iPad, the regular iPad, 256 gig as well. So I was gonna wait until my Apple Pencil came, but I don't feel like doing all that. So this is what I'm coming from. That's my iPad now. So I'm going from this to this. This is like, I swear it's like my 3rd, 4th iPad for the year. Oh no. Hopefully you guys, yep, perfect. And like I said, I got the space gray. Oh, it's so nice and thin. I was gonna wait for my Apple Pencil, but decided not to. Ooh. So that's it. That's how it looks in the front. Oh shoot, I do need to get a screen protector. So it's turning on, and as you guys know, it comes with the the box part, and then it comes with the charger. But this is what's happening. Let me see, will it pick up the passcode? I don't know. Maybe not. Guess I'll have to put the passcode in. Right? Oh shit, Polo. Let's hope I got a password right. Yep, and I did. It feels so extremely lightweight. Can you guys even see it? Let's hope I got this the right way. Maybe. No, because then I feel like it's gonna be upside down. So I'm just setting up the Touch ID. Add another finger. Oh my god. I didn't know it had Touch ID. That's pretty cool. I normally don't set up passcode on my iPad, to be honest, because I don't really see the purpose of that, but it always requests a password. Transfer. Because I really... Okay, I'm about to log in to my iCloud. And it's Loading. So while it loads, I also have this case. This is a case I bought. I got it from Staples. I would just put the case on there. I need to get a screen protector, but yeah, that's good. We're just waiting for it to load. It's nice though. I like the fact that it doesn't have So this iPad is actually the same color as my MacBook Pro, which is fine, which is a space gray. My wife actually bought me a Chanel bag, the boy Chanel bag, and I absolutely love it. So I'm actually gonna try to do an unboxing sometime today. Just asking me to add my I actually ordered an Apple Pencil, which is the 2nd generation. This is the one that works with this. So that is supposed to come today. It's supposed to be on the way, actually. Very nice. Okay. And I still have a little cold. So this is it. That's my iPad Air. And like I said, I'm coming from iPad 9th generation. Which I'm probably still gonna keep it, but I just normally kind of set it up as a new iPad. I said I was gonna get an iPad Pro, but I was like, oh no. iPad, it probably would be too big. So I just decided let me just go with, oh, and this is, for this iPad Air, it's the USB-C. It's not the lightning cable. So the one that charges my laptop would charge this too. That works good. I guess my stuff from my other iPad came on there. That's it. I don't like it too. I guess I'll change the wallpaper because let me see if I need a software. Yep, I do need a software update. I probably will change my wallpaper. I normally look on Pinterest for a nice wallpaper, but that's pretty much it. I mean, it kind of looked just like my other iPad, except without the home button, but you have Touch ID at the top, so that's the top. Touch ID is right here, but that's it. So this is the case. I might go to Apple and get the Smart Folio because I like that too. So, but that's it. So, you know, when I download apps and stuff, I will just let you guys know and do another what's on my iPad. Okay, bye guys, talk to you soon.